The ASPI declined by 189.63 points to close at 22,175.14, down 0.85%, while the S&P SL 20 fell 60.84 points to 6,118.26, losing 0.98%. The market ended in negative territory amid broad-based selling pressure and cautious investor sentiment, with high-cap counters weighing heavily on index performance as participants reacted to rising interest rate expectations and profit-taking activity. The market recorded a strong turnover of LKR 4.93 billion for the session, supported largely by crossings amounting to LKR 3.27 billion, indicating substantial institutional and negotiated transactions. SoftLogic Life Insurance plc and Hatton National Bank plc were among the companies that recorded the highest traded values during the day. Meanwhile, total market capitalization of the Colombo Stock Exchange stood at LKR 8,054.28 billion. Market participation remained largely dominated by domestic investors, with domestic purchases accounting for 99% of total market purchases at 4.88 billion rupees, while foreign purchases contributed only 48.18 rupees MN. On the selling side, foreign investors were net sellers, accounting for 63% of total sales at 3.08 billion rupees compared to domestic sales of 1.85 billion rupees, indicating continued foreign outflows and cautious sentiment toward the market. Top gainers for the session were led by Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon plc and SMB Finance plc, both gaining strong investor interest with notable price increases of 20% and 11.11% respectively. Lanka Ashok Leyland plc advanced 9.15%, while hotel sector counter Tangerine Beach Hotels plc rose 8.96% amid renewed buying momentum. Meanwhile, TES Agro plc also ended higher, reflecting continued speculative and retail-driven participation in selected counters. Top losers of the session were led by Cargo Boat Development Company plc, which declined 7.78%, followed by Singhi Hospitals plc with a 6.98% drop. LAUGFS Gas plc and Asiri Surgical Hospital plc also recorded notable losses of 6.67% and 6.54% respectively, while Sarvodaya Development Finance plc fell 6.51%. The decline reflects continued profit-taking and cautious sentiment in selected healthcare, energy, and financial sector counters. Positive contributions to the ASPI were mainly driven by gains in Ceylon Beverage Holdings plc and Lion Brewery, Ceylon plc, reflecting strength in the beverage sector. Meanwhile, Ceylon Guardian Investment Trust plc also supported the index with renewed investor interest, while advances in Lanka Ashok Leyland plc and SMB Finance plc further helped cushion broader market losses during the session. Negative pressure on the ASPI was mainly driven by declines in heavyweight counters such as Sampath Bank plc, Haley's plc, and John Keells Holdings plc. Banking sector weakness continued with Hatton National Bank plc and National Development Bank plc also contributing to the market downturn, reflecting cautious investor sentiment toward diversified and financial sector counters.